Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. A couple of days ago, we said that the NASDAQ 100 was too high and that we expected this market to pull back. And here we have it, right here. Now, this pullback is a little bit different. You can see that as I speak right now, today is Friday, July 24th. This edge and this level has been broken. If the downslide continue, this is our first level, this is our second level, this is our third level. Would that go that far? We don't know. What we know is that unless the next daily bar break above this particular level right here, we are on to a very down slide. We're expecting about 25 or 50% pullback before probably we start the journey again. So today, if you're trading the NASDAQ today, as we can see, you should be concentrating on the downside, to short this market. Today is Friday, and we expect some people to take money from the highs. Okay? I hope this helps, and be safe trading.